We are entering into the IKEA now. So check out what I find. This is a small log regarding IKEA in Germany. You melt the ice behind my stone. Come on, let's check out. So I'm entering into the IKEA store. Gang, that is entrance. Come on, follow me. Yo, so finally we have entered IKEA. The entrance itself very nice, and we are climbing upstairs to see what are all those available in the store. So first floor, it's kids rooms, all the kids stuff. So very pretty and cute stuff. You can see a small kitchen with stove, wash basin, oven, etc. It's lovely, right? So tent, it's baby stuff. Bed is also awesome. Small tent we have here. Kids can play nicely. Then all the toy stuff, chairs, tables, all the kids stuff. So dinosaurs, then crocodiles, dinosaurs, all types of dinosaurs. Next, it's bedrooms. So all type of beds, pillows, cots. This is the kitchen. So if you want to select your kitchen, you can come. So very cute kitchen. You can see that. It's a very vast kitchen with the countertop. So kitchen with the wooden stuff. Now coming to hall, that is living room. You can find the TV stand, TVs, etc. Next, coming to the sofas. This is the sofa section in the living room. Different kinds of sofas. So we are having finally a cup of coffee and then a small piece of cake to relax ourselves. We are going to the downstairs, which is the last step of the IKEA. Let's see what we have. So here we have all the cutlery for the kitchen, and all the plants, etc. are available here. This is for room freshener. All the plants you can see, small jasmine flowers, variety of jasmine flowers with different colors. And coming to the lights, so chandeliers, lights. If you are purchasing a house and if you want to go for the interiors, the best option is IKEA. These are the carpets. And again, so a small setup of bathroom. So you can just choose your bathroom fittings and the way your bathroom suits. So these are the glimpses where I have just sat and saw all the comforts. So you can see. So you can check all these things and you can purchase whatever you like. So this is about the IKEA vlog which I have made at the last day in the visit of this Germany trip. So I am on the exit, so bye bye for now.